This is a 2009 Nissan Rogue, the 2.5 liter, and this is the belt diagram here. You can see I got the alternator, the AC pulley, so there's your alternator. If you take a look at this, the belt, the rubber side is down, and then it goes down to your AC pulley. And then coming from here, so that was the alternator coming down to your AC pulley. So then there's the AC pulley, the rubber, the grooves coming up on the top, and then the flats on the bottom. And then here's your crankshaft pulley. So you're coming around here, and then the ribs are going to be facing the crank pulley. The smooth is on the outside, and then you're coming up underneath. This is your idler, or your belt tensioner, I mean. You're going to come up around that, so you're coming down around that, and then on the top side of that, and then on the top side of that, so you're right here on the top side, then you're going to go around this pulley. So your crank, your tensioner, and then you might have to pop back up top to see that idler pulley there. Or actually, that's your water pump. The idler one there, you gotta wrap around back in there before water pump. So if you're coming back from the alternator, you're gonna go down. You're gonna go down around that pulley right there, your water pump, and then you can see the belt coming off, going around that pulley there. So if that was the water pump, you're coming over the thing underneath, and then there's that one idler pulley that's gonna be above your crankshaft, just up to the left above your tensioner. So there's your tensioner. You can feel down in here, right above there. I'm going around that. You see that? So basically the belts, that's as far over as the belt's gonna come. So there's 6 pulleys, and then the groove down, flat. Now, so the hardest one to see is that idler pulley above there. And then yeah, you see your alternator goes down. You got your pulleys. So if you pause it and look at the belt diagram, it should show you kind of how it goes back on. Like and subscribe.